wife and I, obviously, we're keen runners, and we wanted to bring one to Carmarthenshire. And the course was great, you know, it's off-road, it's trail, it gives you a bit of everything, really.
Un o'r pethau da amdano fe, o'n safbwynt i, yw bod e'n... Dwi yn cymryd llawer amser. A mae 9 o'r gloch bod wedi sadon, a erbyn 9:30 mae popeth wedi dod i ben, felly dwi yn mynd ar diwrnod cyfan. Barod, ewch! Am bod y peth yn syniad cenedlaethol, mae rhai'n trefnu gwyliau o gwmpas y rasis, maen nhw'n gweld lle mae'r parkrun agosach i nhw, ac yn dod. Wel, gwirfoddolwyr sy'n trefnu'r ras, peth yn rad ac am ddim, felly mae pobl yn cyfrestru ar-lein, chi'n cael y barcode yma, a mwyn ar ôl chi gwpla, chi'n sgano hwn, chi'n cael tocyn o'ch gwpla hefyd.
It was wet and cold, but it was a good run, you know, it was a good blast in the morning, starts at 9 o'clock, you're done by 9:30, so it's a good way just to start your weekend off. So it was, yeah, it's good fun.
Chi'n cael neges eto dros y we i weid wrthoch chi beth o'ch amser chi. Chi'n cymharu'ch hunan-wyniad a phobl eraill, wrth gwrs. Mae'n gweithio chi o ran eich oedran chi, shwd i chi wedi wneud hefyd. Shwd chi'n cymharu a phobl o'r un oedran chi eto dros y wlad i gyd sy'n gwneud y parkrun.
It's the windiest and the wettest I've run this year on this. But I love it because it's like a multi-terrain and it's a lovely race, like, you know, and a nice cup of tea after, see?
Yeah, mae parkruns i gael, chymod, drone y wlad i gyd, ond ni goffod trefeili lan o Aberteifi ma bore yma, so felly byddai'n neis cael rhywbeth yn agosach i getre.
I'm 82 on the 14th of April, and I've always kept myself fit. When I go home, I'll have an email telling me how fast I was, my position, my age group, everything. It's really lovely. You know, I know it's a lousy day, but I'm happy.
Oedd e'n ofnadwy, oedd e'n rhif socian, oedd y glaw, oedd y gwynt, ofnadwy. Ond, enjoyous i.
People my age can't walk across the road like some of them.